Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing a couple of perfume rollerballs by AGirl'sGottaSpa, and that's the packages. They did send this to me for review, and so all my opinions are going to be new. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first of all, when they sent it to me, they sent it just like this. But then they sent an email, and I'm going to read you what it says in the email because it gives you a little bit more information. And of course, I'm going to have a link to their website below, so if you are interested, you can definitely go to their website and get you some. Okay, so the email says, in an effort to be more eco-friendly, they just send the information in email instead of in the package. And here is the information on each perfume. So it says, regarding the names, my goal is to always encourage and inspire women. So Arise and Soar align with this theme. Both roller balls are vegan and Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free. They are a combination of essential oils and phthalate-free perfume oil and grapeseed oil. As with most essential oils and your body chemistry, the fragrance may last only a few hours at a time on your skin, but that's why it comes in a purse-friendly glass bottle. Touch-ups are super easy and fast. Okay, so then it breaks down the two different ones. Oh, and it also says it's available on Amazon, so I'll make sure I put that link on in the description as well. So first off, it says Arise is jasmine, sambac, grapefruit, orange, and vanilla bean. So let's go ahead and get into Arise. That would be that one. And of course, these are all made in the USA, which I absolutely love. So this is what the container looks like. I think that's really pretty. Okay, so let's open it up. There's the roller ball. Okay, this smells really beautiful. I definitely smell grapefruit and jasmine and just a hint of vanilla. It's not like you smell it and you smell vanilla. You smell more of the, I would say more of the jasmine and the grapefruit than you smell the vanilla, but you smell it kind of under it, if that makes sense, but it smells really, really good. Okay, so the next one we have is Soar, which has Meyer lemon, wild orange, ginger, geranium, rose absolute, green tea, fig, cardamom, amber, and white musk. Okay, that sounds nice. Okay, so that is that one, and we are opening that one, and that is what that one looks like. Okay, so let's smell that one up. That smells really good. I would say with this one, what you're going to smell mostly, I would say the orange. I think the orange. That's the scent I smell. Now, everybody's nose smells something different, but these are really nice everyday scents. Like, I can honestly say that if you wore these, I don't think they would really irritate anyone's nose. I think these are really good all-day fragrances that they're not overpowering. They're very natural. They smell very natural, very, you know, like honestly, if somebody walked by you in the street and you smelled this, you're probably going to smell something fruity and something natural. You're going to think that they've been like in the kitchen or in a field or around a bunch of fruit. You're not going to think perfume. So this is a really nice natural way to make yourself smell good without smelling like, well, I mean, let's be honest, perfume usually has that alcohol smell to it, and it's sometimes very overpowering and hard to handle. So I do like this. I like the fact this is vegan friendly and all that stuff. I'm not personally vegan, but I like the cruelty-free factor. I feel like cosmetics at this point should all be that way. I don't think it's that difficult for companies to do that. I do like this. I like the bottles. I like the scents. I think these are beautiful scents. I'm gonna go ahead and wear them, and I'll probably come back to you tomorrow, maybe in a couple days, to really let you know how I felt wearing them throughout the day, you know, so I can try each scent in one day. Anyway, okay, so I have tried both of these out, and I really like both of them. Now, I will say that when they said it lasts around 2 hours given on your body chemistry, they're right. Like, it stayed really potent for a couple hours, but by the end of the 2 hours, I could still smell it, still smelled good, but it was kind of getting faint. But it didn't bother me. You know, this does not have like the perfumey smell of chemicals and, you know, that overpowering smell that some perfumes have. This has a very nice, natural smell, and you don't smell like, you know, you're some sort of hippie with too much patchouli or something like that. That's not what these smell like. These smell like very clean, natural scents, and they're very wearable. Like, I would even say that if you work around people that have sensitive smelling issues, you might actually be safe to wear these because they do not bother you. They're not gonna, when someone walks by you, they're not gonna be gagging. They're not gonna be like, ugh. You know what I'm talking about. There are some people super sensitive to scent, and this should be something you could wear around those people and it not affect them, because it's a very light scent. You definitely smell it, you know, like lotion or fruit or something. It doesn't affect the senses in the same way. So I think these are really great perfumes. They are definitely easy to carry around, and I definitely enjoy the scents. They're very wearable, and this is a really great perfume. Highly recommend it. And again, the link to get these will be below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.